Hi guys. Every so often I buy a bunch of tech stuff. I don't always do reviews of all of my gear I do have a streaming channel, AGeekyGuy. I don't stream that often. I know I should. I always get caught up in gaming and don't always stream as much as I should. But I have an amazing setup. I do have videos of my complete build. And I'm not sponsored for any of the gaming stuff. But I've been wanting this. It's been on back order for like months. And when I mean months, I mean many, many months. I've been wanting this and I finally came back available. But Corsair Elgato, which is Corsair, but Elgato, this is the low profile wave microphone stand, like the arm. I've been wanting this thing forever, like I said, and I will show you this, and then I'm going to show you it installed in the computer room. So this is everything that it comes with. If I can show you that. What I like about it is it hides all your cables, and it goes underneath your computer arm. So it goes underneath your monitor to make things a lot less cluttered on your desk. Especially the desk that I have, it's kind of like a pain. So this is definitely going to help clean things up. I just got to figure out which side and which monitor I want to put this under. But let me go take you to the computer room to set this up. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you real quick. This is the old arm. I'm just going to be taking it off. You can see it's a pain because on the side I have this white bracket that goes there, so it gets in the way. So I'm going to pull this out, and yeah, I actually broke it because this is supposed to be here somewhere to like hold that. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Hey guys, so I got the Wave Mic LP control arm, like the arm for the microphone. I've been wanting this for a while. I don't know where I'm going to set this up yet, but check it out. It gives you the instructions for like how to install it, the desk clamp, all that fun stuff that I'm going to have a lovely challenge setting up on this desk. We shall see. So it gives the typical desk clamp that I'm going to have to try to pull the desk apart to slide this behind. Yeah, that's always the fun part because the way my desk is set up, it sits against a wall and there's barely any space, but that's where I need this to go. So it'll slide underneath the actual monitors. Hopefully, it should. We'll see. And then I have the actual arm and some screws, which you gotta be careful. You could accidentally easily lose that pack of screws. But this is what I like about it. All your wires and everything get hidden up underneath these little magnetic pieces. So I'm gonna install this and be right back. Alright, so I want to show you something, and I'm kind of annoyed. So it won't fit underneath my monitor, and these are not like very low monitors. So if you look at this arm, it's supposed to be low profile. What I wanted to do is have this behind the monitor and this coming out from underneath the monitor. That way the arm's not in the way to the side. So it still works, you know, the way I want to be able to conceal it and have it out of the way, but I wanted it to come from under there and just kind of be underneath this, as opposed to the whole arm being in the way. I was hoping just this, you know, this one part of it would be sticking out, so I can just move this one piece right in front of me, like right here, and not have the arm across the keyboard. I want it to be, you know, the other way. So what's annoying is this is supposedly low profile, right? This is a Rode mic, just the Rode mic arm that I had. Look at the height difference But the thing is that won't fit in this. This would be a low profile. Why they did that? Yeah, they should have made this shorter, or made an option where this can, you know, twist off so this sits shorter. So you can choose the height you want that to sit by just having like a screw piece to make it that short. Because if it was this short, it would work perfect. But it's not. So that's kind of how it's set up. Kind of annoying. I mean, I can still sit there and type in that. I can move this, you know, a little bit. I can raise it up and down. I made it stiff so that way I can raise it up and down. It's just kind of like annoying. I can turn it sideways. So I got to figure out how I want to use it, but I just wanted to show you that is the new Wave Arm. What's cool-ish is you have these cable hides that hide the cables. So it's just like a magnetic. So you can tuck your cables up in there, hide whatever you want underneath there, some USB. You know, look, you can hide some USB sticks or something in there if you really wanted to. But other than that, it's kind of, you know, but it looks so much cleaner. Yeah, so my setup's getting there. Sorry, the Elgato initializing my image for the other camera, which I don't know, whatever, hide that. But I just want to show you my my setup. Yeah, I'm snacking on a game, but this is my PC setup, and underneath is a bit. I need to do cable management. I definitely do. Where's my my lighting? So here's my PC specs. It's kind of deadly. I know it's like kind of overkill, but I have like a lot of storage. Yeah, 23090 Founders Editions. Nice, right? And then all that RAM, 64 gigs of beautiful RAM. And then my lighting, I can actually turn that all on. I'd have to turn on the Aurora as well. I didn't yet, but the Aurora would turn on that and a couple other little lights on the motherboard. But 23090 is the extra little cooler. My big rad, smaller rad. Yeah, but that's my new streaming setup. Microphone, I mean, Elgato light, Elgato camera, Logitech camera, my Wave setup. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm excited to finally have a better arm. But thanks for watching, and take care.